된다고 군다 할렐루야 예 군다 예수 할렐루야 예 군다 예수 할렐루야 예 군다 예수 할렐루야 예 된다고 군다.
Hello everyone, I'm Takim. Today I'm gonna teach a new song titled Nkunda Yesu. First, before start, let's listen the song.
군다 예수 군다 예수 군다 예수 된다고 군다 군다 예수 군다 예수 군다 예수 된다고 군다 할렐루야 예 군다 예수 할렐루야 예 군다 예수 할렐루야 예 군다 예수 할렐루야 예 된다고 군다.
Wow! Kinyaranda's song is very interesting, right? So, next we will learn the lyrics. When I sing one stanza, repeat after me. If you are ready, let's start. Go! First, Nkunda Yesu, Nkunda Yesu, Nkunda Yesu, Janda Mukunda. Repeat after me.
군다 예수 군다 예수 군다 예수 된다고 군다.
Next, Nkunda Yesu, Nkunda Yesu, Nkunda Yesu, Janda Mukunda. Repeat after me.
군다 예수 군다 예수 군다 예수 된다고 군다.
Next, Hallelujah, yeah, Nkunda Yesu. Repeat after me.
할렐루야 예 군다 예수.
Next, Hallelujah, yeah, Nkunda Yesu. Repeat after me.
할렐루야 예 군다 예수.
Next, Hallelujah, yeah, Nkunda Yesu. Repeat after me.
할렐루야 예 군다 예수.
Next, Hallelujah, yeah, Janda Mukunda.
할렐루야 예 된다고 군다.
Well done! Next, we will learn motion. First, I will show you the motion size.
군다 예수 군다 예수 군다 예수 된다고 군다 군다 예수 군다 예수 군다 예수 된다고 군다 할렐루야 예 군다 예수 할렐루야 예 군다 예수 할렐루야 예 군다 예수 할렐루야 예 된다고 군다.
Can you see carefully? Now, I'm gonna teach the motion. Let's start. Nkunda Yesu, Nkunda Yesu, Nkunda Yesu, Janda Mukunda. We roll our hand from right side and clap, and left side and clap, and middle and clap, and twinkle your hand like this. And then repeat the motion one more time. And then Hallelujah, yeah, Nkunda Yesu. Then start from twinkle and move your head right side and raise your hand and move like this. And then put your hand on your waist and gather hand together and move, follow me. Then Hallelujah, yeah, Nkunda Yesu. Now you have to be like me and move your head right side and right your hand and move like this. And then put your hand on your waist and then do half motion like me. Then Hallelujah, yeah, Nkunda Yesu. Then do motion hard like this and also move your head right side and shake your arm and put your arm on your chest like this and like this. Then Hallelujah, yeah. Jenda Mukunda. Now your hand have to be like me and also move your head right side and raise your arm and move like this. And then put your hand on your waist and last do twinkle like me. Finally, we finish to learn the motion. It's not difficult, right? Next, we will do the motion with tiny fan. Come on, tiny fan!
Nkunda Yesu, Nkunda Yesu, Nkunda Yesu, tenda mukunda. Nkunda Yesu, Nkunda Yesu, Nkunda Yesu, tenda mukunda. Hallelujah, yeah. Nkunda Yesu, hallelujah, yeah. Nkunda Yesu, hallelujah, yeah. Nkunda Yesu, hallelujah, yeah. Tenda mukunda.
Wow! Good job! Today we learned Nkunda Yesu. Did you enjoy? Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye!